Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to Elmsley count. So this move is done to hide the third card. So usually you have 4 cards in your hand and you hide the third from the top card to the spectator. So this is used in many card tricks. So it should look like something like this. So you won't see the ace of clubs right now. Just like that. And yeah, so it's basically a move to just to hide a certain whatever card you want from the spectator. So yeah, that's what we're going to be learning today. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here's how to do the Elmsley count. So to start off with, you're going to have any 4 cards you want, and that does it with the trick. And so it can be any 4 cards, and you're gonna, however you want, get the card that you're trying to hide from the spectator in the third. Well, if it's like this, it's the second from the top, so ace of diamonds, and if it's flipped over, then it's third from the top. So here's how you do it. So you get your thumb and pointer finger just gripping the deck like this, just in the middle of the right hand side, or if you're left-handed, just like that. And then what you do is you peel off the first card while holding these 3 cards. And this is basically just a quick overview of how to do it. So you're peeling 1 card off, you're putting it back on the bottom when you're coming over for another card, putting it back on the bottom and then sliding 2 cards across, and then you're putting 2 cards like that. So let's get into how to do that. So thumb and pointer finger holding the 4 cards like this. You peel 1 card off with your other hand, with your left hand, just like that. You're going to bring your left hand back over and just slide it to the bottom again. And at the same time, you're going to be peeling off 2 cards as one. So this will take a bit of practice to get it smooth and make it look like that you're peeling off 1 card. So peel off 1 card, put it on the bottom, and use your thumb to peel off 2 cards, and then from there you just deal the other 2 cards. So that's how you do the trick. I'll go over it one more time. So third from the top is the card that you're hiding from the spectator. Hold with your thumb and your pointer finger. You peel off the top card with your left hand. Then you put it on the bottom as you're peeling off the next top 2 cards. So in normal speed, it should look like this, just like that. And now you've got the hidden card in your left hand. You take off the next 2 cards. So yeah, that's how you do the trick. You can use this concept in many different tricks. Yeah, so that's the video. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. Bye.